Hello. Today, this short live would be just showing you guys that we are basically subculture Monstera Thai Constellation. Now, the one being worked on is considered like not a high variegation one, but they're still decent looking. I mean, they're fine. Uh, that was my alarm. Now, this that's multiplying media that we put them in, so we get more of them. That's not a when they're not in a stage ready to sell, but this is a decent size. It's about 5 to 7 centimeters. This is a very good size that for selling and to get it out of the bottle to acclimatize. This at our lab would consider like ordinary variegation, although they're quite high. They're not low variegation. We carefully selected the variegation pattern. Now this down here that we are taking out, those are very high variegation. Now, tissue culture plant can be shipped quite easily. They have no pest, so it will pass any regulation. Now that one is very high variegation. They do have names for their variegation patterns. I don't know what this is actually called. I don't know whether it's platinum, creme brulee. There are many names now. See the difference. But of course, more greens mean it grows faster. But well, it depends on what people like. They're quite decent size too. That's about the same size as the previous one. But they were in multiplying media, so they have no root. Now that we're gonna subculture it and put it in a new media. We change media every 2 weeks, no longer than a month. Now we're trimming off the black part to make it clean before we put it in a new media. Now, for international shipping, we have many options for the containers. If you want to save on weight, we could use plastic bag. We could like change them to a plastic container, such as plastic tubes, test tube, or plastic bag. Going in glass bottles like this is a bit risky. It could break, but it has more room to grow. But it weighs a lot more, and you will end up having to pay a bit more, not a bit more, quite a decent amount more for the shipping. So if you're interested, I would recommend another container for shipping. So I would need a bit of time to a bit of heads up before I could change the plant to a lighter container for shipping. And this is all. Leave any comment. If you have any question, you can contact me via WhatsApp. I will be replying in normal Thai time. The time is different, so I probably would be replying on Thai time. Okay, bye-bye.